let's say you've got a kitchen, and in the kitchen you really don't want to spend all the money to renovate it and go through the whole entire expense of ripping it out, the time, the effort. There are a few tips that I can offer that will somewhat transform your look. For example, you can paint the cabinets. Yes, it's a task. Yes, it's gonna take some effort and some time, but it will transform the space dramatically. In addition to that, you can take on a task on installing new backsplash. If you do both of those things, they will dramatically change the appearance of your kitchen. You can also change the door hardware along with it. That will definitely add another layer of different look, different design. As far as the smaller little details, if you clean up your countertops and declutter, add some, maybe a candles or a vase, maybe some fresh flowers on a daily basis, will definitely improve the looks of it and the feel of your space. Good luck with your build.